Hello and welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hamilton and today we're going to be checking out FutureFinance24. This is an exchange platform, but they offer so much more than other exchanges. None of this is financial advice, but I have been in the space for a long time. And yeah, I'm super impressed with this platform. So let's jump into this. Be sure to check it out in the description. Be sure to like the video. Let's go. So this is FutureFinance24, and as you can see here, this is a little bit different to other exchanges. The UI is incredibly clean. Okay, but as well as that, they allow you to trade various different assets from across the trading industry. So we got crypto, which we know and love. We've got Forex here, commodities like oil and gold. Okay, we've got indices, so indexes, right, like NASDAQ, and as well as that, stocks as well. So yeah, really cool that an exchange is offering so many different options for trading. This should entice a lot of different traders from across the globe to use this platform, which helps the liquidity of the assets of everyone using it, including you guys who could potentially use this as well. So definitely check this out. The interface here is fantastic. I really like the clean white look to it. Okay, we've got buying and selling. If you're unsure about selling on a leverage or shorting the market, essentially this is where you would say borrow 1 Bitcoin from the exchange at this price and then sell it on the market lower and then give it back to the exchange and keep the price difference, right? That's essentially what shorting is. Okay, if you didn't know that, now you know. But you can do many things on this exchange. You can take profit here, right, with different versions displayed here on how you would like to take profit, which is really cool. Okay, it's nice to see exchanges catering to different types of traders. And then obviously you've got your stop loss here. But what's really cool about this exchange, which I haven't actually seen from a lot of exchanges here, is this feature right here on the right-hand side. So as we can see here, there's a little thing called expiry. So if I set a limit buy order, say at 54K, right, and we don't get down there or the trading plan didn't go as I would like, what you can do here is actually have an expiry for that and say, okay, I only really want to buy this in the next 4 hours. So after that 4-hour period, I want that trade to expire and I want that order off the books, right? This is probably the only platform I've seen, particularly in crypto, that is offering this type of experience for their traders. So definitely check this out. This is really cool. And there's so many things you can do with it. And yeah, that's pretty much the UI here. Let's jump in to some other things that this exchange offers. Okay, so to check out these products, let's just take a look at the landing page here. And we can see beautiful design off the bat. Okay, you've got some pretty decent tickers coming through. Forex, GBP pairings are very cool. Okay, we can also see stocks, indices, commodities, Forex, and crypto are the assets they offer, as we did just already cover. But yeah, really cool site. Gain exposure to multiple asset classes, all from a single platform to diversify your portfolio. This will let you capitalize on more opportunities and manage the risks more effectively. So what this essentially means is if there is an event globally, okay, and you know that, say, Bitcoin and gold are going to go down, right? Instead of having to use multiple exchanges, right, you can have it all in one. You can short Bitcoin on this exchange and you can short gold on this exchange. So you're not going to be managing different windows, different tabs everywhere with different platforms, right? You can have this as your all-in-one source. And I think that's really cool. Okay, another feature they offer here is called bundles. This is essentially similar to an index. If you don't know what that is, it's essentially where they will bundle up a bunch of assets and let you trade that bundle in itself, right? So let's just say they bundled all the top crypto assets together and named it crypto as the bundle, right? You could long that bundle and it would long all of those assets at the same time, right? This way you can really just take a more general approach to the market. If you think the stock market's going to go up, you could invest in the stock market bundle. If you think crypto is going to go up or down, then you could invest or short the crypto market just with this bundle feature. And I think that is just an awesome feature for this exchange to have. I haven't seen this a lot in other exchanges. So yeah, these guys just really getting away from the rest of the pack here and staying ahead in terms of offering new products and features. If we scroll down here, we can see a little bit about their support. Obviously, they're a financial platform. You've got to have good support if you're a financial platform. And I did go out and test this. Okay, I did message their support and they were really helpful when it came to setting up my account. So that's fantastic. So they're fast and transparent, okay? So we're seeing ultra low spreads and transparent trading conditions. Essentially what this means is, guys, you can actually see the spread here on the chart, right? So you can see the next sell order and the next buy order for Bitcoin here, and you can just kind of gauge how much you would potentially gain or lose in terms of that spread difference when you do buy or sell Bitcoin. And having this for pretty much every asset that they do use is fantastic, okay? It's transparent. You can see what you're getting. And yeah, as well as that, I forgot to mention, you can actually see the 24-hour price difference as well. As you can see, Bitcoin and a lot of crypto is getting destroyed right now. So scrolling down here, we can see CFD, which is the typical trading setup. Okay, we've got bundles that we just talked about. Really, really cool. I really like the site design as well. The purple is really, really cool. This pinky purple color. Okay, but yeah, the platform in itself offering quite a lot. And then margin is obviously trading on a leverage, so borrowing money from an exchange to maximize your gains. Obviously, you can affect your losses as well by using leverage. But if you're an experienced trader, I would definitely recommend it. You can make a lot more if you're profitable and using leverage for sure. And that's pretty much the landing page here. So we can see a little sign up thing at the bottom. Feel free to check that out. It will be in the description. And another thing I want to show you guys here is called the market overview. These guys do this market overview, and yeah, it's a live feed of all of the best stocks, all of the best assets, and it's all here on their site. You just open another tab, okay? You can find it just by literally clicking markets here, okay? And then with that, yes, you've got all of the data that you need to really gauge what's going on in the markets, not just for crypto, but for stocks as well. As you can see here, Tesla is looking like a strong buy, and it's really just helpful if you are a beginner trader or a beginner investor to have something like this and see the sentiment behind the market. Is fantastic, and it's really good that these guys are catering to those traders as well. Okay, so next we have accounts here. As you can see, choose the right account type for you. At Future Finance, we understand that every trader is unique. To ensure you unlock your potential, pick the account type that best suits your needs. So essentially, all this is, guys, is, yes, it depends on how much you deposit, and then you get given a certain account type. The account type you are given will give you various different benefits. So if we look at the platinum one here, we can see max leverage 500, and then the bronze one, max leverage 200, right? So this will just go up like any kind of tier system on any website, all right? But what's really, really cool here, if we do go to the bottom, we can see bonuses, right? So bonuses here are essentially if you deposit and then you trade a lot, then an exchange or a broker may give you a bonus of up to 70% of your initial deposit, okay? And then yeah, on the platinum version, if it's 50,000, you actually get a bonus of up to 100%, depending on how much volume you generate for them. And why do these guys need volume? Essentially, volume is just how much people are trading, and that helps them rank amongst the other exchanges. They also have AI generated trades, which is really, really cool. Okay, so on the bronze one, you can get 3 to 5 trades per day. On the platinum one, you can get 10 to 15 trades per day, which is really cool. It just saves you in terms of thinking, and you may even be able to spot trades from other assets using features like this as well. So really cool there. You also get access on the higher tiers to research and analytics, which will help you identify trades, of course, and you also get sessions with a senior market analyst, right? So a monthly call on this one if you deposit 10,000 bucks. Okay, and a weekly call if you deposit 50,000. So yeah, really cool features here and a really cool tier system for your accounts. I'd like to see other exchanges incorporate this, but for now, we will just use this one. So be sure to check this out in the description. We've got a couple more points to get through here, but yeah, really liking this platform so far. So as well as having all of these assets that you can trade in one place, and as well as really good analytics page and account management, right, we're also seeing these guys put out really decent press releases from known sites such as streetinsider.com and Coin Edition, right? Coin Edition is obviously one that's very well known. But yeah, they talk about their exclusive memberships in this. Feel free to read these articles because they may help you understand the platform even further, okay? One other thing here I wanted to talk about is the reviews. We can see here on SiteJabber, they have 64 reviews on a 4.3 rating. That's pretty decent across the board, and SiteJabber is obviously a really reliable site for actually reviewing services like this, okay? So yeah, looking pretty trusted across the board here. We're also seeing the same thing on Trustpilot here, which is good. Okay, and yeah, we're seeing things like highly recommended. I'm constantly impressed with the speed of transactions and the speed of the service I get from Future finance. So yeah, people are liking this platform, and rightly so, all right? When you've got a clean UI like this, you've got all these assets to trade, you've got extra features that we talked about previously, right? Yes, in summary, this is a site that you should check out. It's in the description. Be sure to go see it right now. Sign up, get your account manager, and yeah, see if you can get some of those higher tier subscriptions as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. And again, links are in the description. Any likes are massively appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.